Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm gonna walk you through how to apply a Vietnam e-visa. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, Vietnam has moved to a newer website as you can see in this portal. So the very first thing I would suggest is read FAQ about eligibility and other things so that you know your rights, your responsibilities. Okay. And the process is same, like you apply, then you do the payment, and if it is granted, you download. You see a login button over there, so don't worry about it. When you come here for the first time and you go through the wizard where you apply, it's automatically gonna create your account. It will ask like, can we create using this account? Okay, it will ask. I'll show you. So let's subscribe to the channel guys. So click on apply now here. Now the pop-up has appeared where you can see applicant must declare sufficiently, accurately and honestly of true information in English with multiple choices questions. Applicant is required to tick on the all appropriate answers. Okay. In case choosing other answers, applicant must declare specific information. E-visa application will be denied if there are like conditions, like you have to be honest, you should not be dishonest. If you do any sort of dishonesty, incorrect information, misleading information, your application is gonna be denied. And that makes sense. Definitely it makes sense. Like why wouldn't it, right? Okay. Now at the end you are gonna see like you will once you go to the end, you will read all the conditions. There are check boxes. Okay. Confirm compliance and click on next, and then have some patience. Okay, now form is loading. 3 steps. First is to upload your photograph. Next is to upload your passport. Now this is the stage 1 where you are going to fill all the application information. In stage 2 you are going to review, and stage 3 you are going to make the payment. Okay, so this is the first step where you are going to go for passport. Okay, and some fields it's going to automatically populate based on what you upload, but yes, you have the opportunity to change that information. Okay, so I'm just gonna do something. Okay, I change something like John Smith. I'm putting my sample details. These are not real data. Do it as per your first name, last name, date of birth, gender, nationality, identity card if you have. Email. See, there's a check box. Agree to create account by email. Okay, so that's how like your account is going to be created. So if, in case you want to log in future, you can come and do. Religion, place of birth, re-enter email. So be very careful. I am entering sample information, but you don't do that. Instead you put accurate information, because it has to be accurate, right? No reason why it won't be accurate. Place of birth, and most importantly, verify every information at least 2 times, not just once. Many people do minor mistakes and then later on struggle for hours where we did the mistake, why it did not go through like that. Okay, I am putting sample, but you don't do that. Okay, see, so just putting sample guys. Okay, after that it's asking some security questions. Have you ever used any other passport to enter into Vietnam? I selected no. Like read them and understand those questions. There were few others. The issue e-visa for single entry, multiple entry. Do it as per your own case. It's asking for the date, passport details it has asked, and issuing authority, place of issues. At this you can find in your passport. Type ordinary selected, date of travel, date of issue, sorry, expiry. So this is as per your own case. The fields that are mandatory are marked with that red asterisk. Okay, contact information, occupation, like it could be student, work, or whatever you are doing. Then you need to provide the information about your school, company, their address, phone number. These things they have asked. And being a genuine applicant, you should not have any difficulty in providing these details. It's very simple. emergency contact, full name, current residential address, your contact address, your telephone number in number 4, and permanent address. Okay. Occupation it has asked. See, I spoke about this. Information about the trip, purpose of entry. There's a drop down where you can select what you want for. Okay. Length you have already entered before. Phone number in Vietnam if you have, it's not mandatory. Okay. Residential address. So if you're let's say staying at a hotel or guest house, provide their address. And once you have their address, you're gonna definitely provide province, district, and whatever information. Gate of entry, international border, like port of entry, you can say port of exit. More questions. If any children are accompanying you, trip expense, who is paying, and how you are gonna pay. Okay, how much expense is intended. Okay, all these questions. Once you are done, click on checkbox and click on next. Then it will go to the next section where you're going to verify all the information, and then you're going to do the payment. So of course I'm not going to do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.